Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the 8-ball pool game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if the 8-ball pool game on your device is not working as it's supposed to, or you experience some bugs, then this might be because you have not updated the game to the latest version. So to fix this, open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply search for 8-ball pool. Once you find the application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of play, then tap on it to install the latest updates. Once the update is completed, you will once again see the play button, and now you can tap on it to open up the game. And now you will experience a much smoother playback as the latest updates will be now installed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the 8-ball pool game on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.